In today's video, I am going to teach you how to restore the missing toolbar in Tradingview. If parts of your Tradingview interface have vanished, don't worry, most of the time it's just a visibility toggle or a small setting that needs attention. I'll walk you through the common fixes so you can get your tools back and keep your charting workflow smooth. First, let's bring back the left drawing toolbar. Open the main menu in the top left corner of Tradingview and look for the drawing panel option. Toggle it on. This switch controls the vertical toolbar that holds your trend lines, fibs, shapes, and other drawing tools. If it was off, turning it back on should immediately restore that panel on the left side of your chart. Next, if your favorite drawing tools are missing, check the star icon on the left toolbar. That star toggles the favorites bar. Click it once to show your favorite tools, click it again to hide them. If you don't see your usual quick access tools, it may simply be that the favorites bar is hidden. Not that your favorites were removed. If your drawings or indicators seem to have disappeared from the chart, they might just be hidden, not deleted. On the right-hand toolbar, click the object tree icon. It looks like a stack of layers. Inside the object tree, you'll see all drawings, indicators, and chart elements. Look for items with their visibility turned off and switch them back on. This is the best place to confirm that your work is still there and to unhide it in one spot. On mobile, if your bottom buttons or top toolbar are missing, open the menu in the lower right corner of the app and adjust the visibility settings there. Interface elements on mobile can auto-hide to give more chart space. So this menu is where you can bring them back. If things still look off, update your app, or if you are using a mobile browser, make sure the browser is up to date. Updates often resolve interface glitches. Finally, if it looks like the entire UI has vanished or the chart is in an odd state, try the keyboard shortcut to toggle the drawing panel. Press Ctrl+B on Windows or Command+B on Mac. If that doesn't help, reload the chart page to reset the interface. A quick refresh often restores the default layout. That's it. With these quick checks, menu toggles, the star icon, the object tree, mobile visibility, and a shortcut or reload, you can reliably bring back missing toolbars and keep charting without interruption.